In my next life, I want to come back as one of my dogs. They live nicely. I had sinus surgery the day after Christmas, and it has been the worst surgery of my life. Very painful. And on top of it, everyone, of course, thought I got a nose job. Which is so funny, because if you know me, I would have told you. I got a nose job. I'm not going to keep it a secret. The final phone call that said, "We're going to be picked up again," was just a miracle. I love the fashion world. I love clothes. I love style. I love all music. Right now, I am loving Josh Groban and Kelly Clarkson. James Garner is like a peaceful river through our chaos. People tend to think they know you when you come into their TVs every week. They think you are different than who you are. If I was acting, I always had to do a sport or something on the art side of things, along with that way. If one fell apart, I always had something else to fall back on.